it's changed my life. Well, hang on, I've always been a hairy girl. My moustache grows for England. Team GB, Moustache Olympics. Hi everyone, I really hope you're doing well. So today I'm actually coming back at you with a video that has genuinely been quite highly requested. That's a big deal for me because I think this is the first video that anyone's actually like asked for, and more than one person has actually asked for it, so I think I've hit the big time. Let's see, on the 8th of September, and nearly 2 months ago now, I uploaded laser hair removal at home. It was a review of the Braun Silk Expert Pro 5, which I conveniently have here. If you haven't watched that video, I would really recommend watching that first because I did a full demonstration, showed you how I use it. I showed you my like 3 weeks in progress. Yeah, I think it's quite a good one to watch and then come back for I had been using it for I think a few weeks out of the 12-week course that you are meant to complete to sort of get the intended result. I am now well past that. I think I'm at like 14 weeks and I've finished the 12 weeks, and I think I did a 13th week just because I was like, life's too short, why not? Yeah, so I'm now out the other side and I thought I would show you kind of where I'm at now. So if you haven't watched that video, I basically had focused on my legs and my armpits. Those are like the two places that I've always kind of wanted to definitely get kind of sorted. I said in my last video, I'm a hairy little biatch, which I think many people are. I'm not gonna like shy away. Everyone got body hair, you know? Some people are very lucky, but majority are no stranger to body hair. I guess, shall I just show you the result pictures? Am I meant to build tension? Probably, but here you go. So I'll do my final thoughts, but I'll go in body review, the good one. Me legs. My legs, I honestly could not be happier with. I have a video, it's not the best video, but this is after. So last week I did it, and then this is 7 days growth. Well, as you can see, there is no growth apart from the very occasional hair, like literally a one-off hair. There is absolutely no growth, which is just amazing. Honestly, it's changed my life. Like, I just do not need to worry. It doesn't matter what I wear, you know. Sometimes it's a well-known thing, isn't it? Oh, I can't wear that skirt today, I haven't shaved my legs. That just doesn't enter my mind anymore, and it is the greatest thing. That alone I think makes this product worth it. The fact it honestly just worked wonders for my legs. Not like I've got like really fine hair or anything either. I have really thick, quite coarse hair, and it zapped it. Any hair that does grow is so much finer. Even if it doesn't get rid of it, it is going to majorly sort of reduce the thickness of the follicle, I guess. And that in itself is just amazing, because even if I've left it like a little bit longer than a week or like 2 weeks, it might grow, but it's not like visible hair. It's really weird. It's only if you were sort of right up close and personal, which how often are you? Then you can like see almost like invisible hair. It's really weird but amazing. So yes, my legs have been a massive success. Massive success. I literally have no complaints about those. I have a slightly different story with my armpits. In the last video, it was sort of the same thing. My legs were going absolutely fabulously. Obviously, I had plenty of weeks left, but I could see progress. With my armpits, I was seeing like a little bit of like patchiness, but there was a reduction in thickness and amount of hair. To be honest, at the end, I'm kind of at a similar spot. I don't know what I've done, if I've done anything wrong. A big one also is that my left armpit has been a lot more successful than my right armpit. Please let me know if anyone is kind of clued up on this, why that might be. That would be like really interesting, because this one is considerably less hairy. What I will say, the same thing has happened in that the hair itself is a lot less thick, so that is really good. But if you're buying this thinking that you are literally going to have like bald armpits forever if you do like the 12-week course, then that is like not going to be the case. Well, hang on, everyone is different, so I can't say that, but for me personally, it hasn't absolutely like banished hair from my armpits yet. It might be a longer process, and you know, as I continue to do it, I'm debating whether to continue like a weekly zap of the armpit, because once you finish the 12 weeks you should be able to go to doing it once every 4 weeks or once every 6 weeks, which is obviously brilliant, and it's, you know, less intrusive on your life, you know. Not that it takes a really long time, but it's just good that you no longer have to kind of keep track every week. Again, if you're clued up on this, would it be bad if I just kept going with the weekly on my armpits? I don't see how it would be bad, so I might do a little bit of research and I'll put it here if you can do that or not. I still think it's been successful on my armpits, but not to the extent of my legs, where I am literally like buzzing me tits off at how well it's gone. In my last video I answered the inevitable question of pain. Has the pain changed since then? Not really. It very much varies from time to time. Someone did a very helpful comment on how to manage the pain, saying that taking paracetamol before you do it would really help, and I actually did test that theory and it did work, which I was really surprised by. I don't know if it was a fluke, because I don't know what it is, but the pain does vary. I do find that some days it stings so much more, and I'm not sure on the science behind that. So if you are a bit worried about the pain, then knowing that you can take paracetamol and it should sort of ease that initial sting, I find to be very settling. I talk way more about pain in my last video, so as I say, give it a watch. I've kind of had two different experiences, but for me it's still worth buying the product. I'm now 2 weeks in on my mustache area, and I must say the first week nothing, but you are gonna get no results really. I would say it's growing back slower on the second week, so that is really exciting because my mustache grows for England. Team GB, Mustache Olympics. Let's see how that goes. I'm basically making my way around my body. I might want like me arms. I've always been like a hairy girl, like I've always been a hairy girl, like a hairy arm type of girl, but I shave them. So yeah, if I could get like some bald ass arms. I am sorry for the lighting again. Sorry. My skin tone is not white like this. It's close, but it's not that. For now, I feel like this is all I'm going to document on kind of the pit and leg journey. I'll answer any questions you have down below regarding them. If you want another IPL video, because it was an expensive piece of kit, so I definitely want to kind of like make use of it. If anyone wants me to just kind of every now and then do a video on how everything's going, then I'm very up for that. Leg journey, 10 out of 10, so happy with it. Armpit journey I feel isn't quite over yet, but as of right now I'm gonna say a 7.6. I feel like they're kind of like 3/4 of the way there and a little bit. I'm just very confused by how different each pit is. Have I like done this one like really badly, I don't know. Let me know down below, please. But that is it for today. Quite a short video, but I hope I've answered any questions. As I say, put them down below and I will really happily answer anything for you. If you really enjoyed this video, then please stick it a like down below. I would really appreciate your support. Subscribe if you are new to my channel so that you can't miss any new videos from me. As I say, if you want any more IPL content, let me know and you can be the first to see it. Have a lovely rest of your day and I will see you in my next video.